Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2022 Corvette Stingray 2LT convertible. This one is presented in RedMist metallic with a SkyCool gray interior. We'll start here at the rear of the vehicle. Here's our rear trunk, so you can see it's nice and tidy underneath here. Inside the trunk itself, we got the cargo net, and we got a nice spacious trunk space for a convertible. You can definitely fit a golf bag in here or other fun bags for shopping, or you can use it as a commuter if you really wanted to. Go ahead and close that. It's got the soft close. We'll zoom out here so you can see the interior here. Looks great. And back here is where your engine is. It's a 6.2 liter V8 that produces 495 horsepower. All C8s are paired to an 8-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. And you can see the engine bay is right behind the seats here. Here's your vents for the engine, so it's painted in carbon flash. It's got the carbon flash badge package, so the Stingray there, and it has the low profile rear spoiler in the body color. Just below that we have the NPP performance exhaust, so you can change the exhaust note from loud to quiet or vice versa. It also bumps the horsepower to 5 extra horsepower, giving you that 495 horsepower. Coming to the wheels, we got the upgraded Trident wheels. So they are the machine face with the dark gray outers. And we have the bright red brake calipers on this one. Michelin tires all the way around. We have a 305 30 ZR20 in the rear. Coming to the front wheel. You can see those brake calipers. They're nice bright red with the Corvette written on them. We have a 245 35 ZR19 in the front. Just a great looking wheel, and it looks great with this color. Okay, coming to the door panel. We have a black door panel with the nice gray stitching. We got the Bose Performance Series sound system. We got the memory package for the passenger. We have the power windows, power locks, and electronic door release. And then this armrest is done in that SkyCool gray. Nice contrast here. Let's take a look at the dash. So it's got the nice baseball stitching in gray, and you got that nice highlight there. Let's open the glove box here so you can see it has the owner's manual in there and the wheel lock nut. Check out the door jambs, they're nice and tidy. Kick plate is nice and clean. Nice and clean throughout. Carpeted floor mats, look great. And we got the 8-way power seats. So you got power bolster and power lumbar as well. We'll scan the condition of the seat here. These are the GT1 seats. And again, these are the SkyCool gray seats, which I think really looks cool with this RedMist paint. You got the Corvette logo embossed there. It also has bright red seat belts, kind of different. And then we have the speaker grill right in the center between the seats. And then we got the wireless charging station for your cell phone right there. Let's go ahead and close the door. Show you the profile of that rear spoiler. So it's a low profile spoiler. And we'll walk down, you can see that beautiful paint. And the seats just pop right out as I walk by. It's got the body colored side mirrors. They're folded in right now. Coming to the front, we have the LED headlights. And I'll feel down here, this front splitter here. I don't feel any scraping there, so that's a good sign. We have front cameras here on both sides. And then we have the front trunk here. So nice and tidy there. And we have a nice deep trunk bay here, so you can fit definitely a luggage bag in there. We have the front cargo net as well. Here's your 12-volt socket. So that's where you plug your trickle charger in to charge your battery. Engine coolant goes there, and windshield wiper fluid right there. Go ahead and close the front trunk here, and we'll scan the paint here. You can see how wonderful it is, nice shine to it. I didn't see many flaws in the paint. It has a little bit of minor scratches in it, just from car washes and stuff, but we have not 5-stage polished this car, so most of them will be gone. And here's your front wheel. And your last wheel here. They all look great. Door panel on the driver's side, again, that's gray stitching. The Bose Performance Series sound system. memory package for the driver as well. Got your power folding mirrors here, your power mirrors, and I'll just hit the button there so you can see it went out. And we have the blind spot monitoring, so that'll light up if something's in your blind spot. You got your power windows here, and then you got your power convertible hardtop function here in your rear window. We got power locks here, electronic door release, front and rear trunk release. I'll show you the dash on this side. So you can see it has the heads up display slot because it does have heads up. Door jambs on this side. Kick plate looks great. Nice and clean. Show the pedals and the floor mat. Again, the 8-way power seats, so power bolster and power lumbar. And we'll scan the seat condition on this side. As you can see, it looks wonderful. Again, the GT1 seats. And we have the red seat belts matching those brake calipers. Okay, we'll hop in the car. Then we'll start on this side here. So we got sleek vents on the C8s. These are the heads-up display controls here. Over on the wheel here, we got power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Just below that here, we got your dash dimming lights, and then we got your electronic parking brake. Up on the wheel, we got your headlight controls. You got your paddle shifter if you want to shift manually. Here's your Z button, so that takes you to more performance metrics. We have your cruise control settings here and stereo on both sides. Heated steering wheel, Bluetooth voice command, and your arrow keys for your digital dash. Here's your upshift for your paddle shifter, and then your windshield wipers on this side here. Push button start, so we'll go ahead and fire it up. And we'll zoom out here so you can see that steering wheel, nice black steering wheel, flat top and flat bottom, with the black center point, the gray stitching all around the wheel. Got the Corvette flags right in the center there, and we'll zoom into the dash here, a full digital dash. Mileage on this car is 10,669 kilometers. We'll look up here now into the visor. It's got the universal garage door opener there. Here's your light sensitive rear view mirror. And when the top is up, you can use the rear camera mirror. Okay, coming to the touch screen. So some of the icons, we got factory nav, so hit that there so you can see. There's your nav. Back home here, we got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You got performance data recorder, we'll just hit that there. So there's your performance data recorder. Back home again. Climate control. There's your front camera, so there's your front of your car, and there's the sides of your car, so you can see how close you are to the curbs. Back home again. And your last icon there. I'll throw it in reverse, so you can see it has a reverse camera as well. And just coming down here, we got your automatic transmission control, so it's kind of a push-pull design. Here's your M, which takes you to your manual mode if you want to use your paddle shifters. Just up here, we got your traction control button, and then we got your front camera view, so I hit that, takes you quickly there. And we have your mode selector here, so I'll just show you the dash there. So if you look under the P there, when I turn the dial, it goes to sport, track. You also notice the exhaust changed volume because it opened up the exhaust to a more throaty or aggressive design. Tour, my mode, you can customize it, and weather. This car also has magnetic ride control, so that's a nice feature with these C8s. Cup holders here, and this is again done in the SkyCool. And all along the tower here is your climate control. So we have your dual zone climate control, and we have heated ventilated seats, and then all your climate there. We got a black console cover here. I'll open that up. Here's my hand here so you can see how deep it is. We have auxiliary and USB slots there. And again, that wireless charging station. Okay, we'll go ahead, open this door up. I'm gonna turn on the headlights, and let's give it a couple revs. So that's exhaust open, which sounds wonderful. One more time. Let's close it up. Put it to tour, show you what it sounds like quiet. Not nearly as nice, but neighbors probably like that better. We'll put it back in track so you can hear what it sounds like at idle. And let's put the convertible top up. So here's that button there. So I'm gonna hold that button and show you how it functions. There we go. So all I'm doing is holding the button, and it's gonna operate itself. It'll make a beep noise in the cabin once it's complete, and tell you on the dash. Rear window goes up, side windows go up, and we're good. Close that door, make our way to the front of the car so you can see what the headlights look like on this car. And look at that color, just a beautiful color. It's a nice rich color, looks great in the sun. When you move down the side here, you can see how clean the car is. Nice sharp lines. There's that hardtop. Really did a great design with these hardtops. These convertibles. Here's your rear of the car, LED tail lights, and then here's your NPP exhaust, open at idle. That sounds great. Okay, so here we have, this is a 2022 Corvette, a convertible 2LT with a mag ride. This one is painted in RedMist metallic, the SkyCool gray interior. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.